Welcome back to Consumer Picks. Today, we're diving into a juicy topic. Literally. Whether you're chasing a healthier lifestyle or just love a fresh, customized glass of juice, finding the perfect juicer can be a game changer. In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 juicers of 2025, from budget-friendly champs to premium powerhouses. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because we're crowning one of these as the ultimate juice king. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Why? Because this is the place where you'll always find the best product picks, comparisons, and unbeatable deals. So grab your favorite fruit and let's get squeezing. Let's kick things off with number 3 on our list. The Oster Just Simple Easy Juicer. If you love a juicer that's easy to use, easy to clean, and looks great in your kitchen, this one might be just what you need. First off, let's talk about its standout feature, the sporty red-coated filter. Not only does it add a pop of color, but it also makes cleaning up significantly easier compared to the standard uncoated filters. If you've ever dreaded scrubbing out your juicer, this small detail can make a big difference. Now, let's get practical. The wide 3-inch feed chute means less prep time because you can toss in larger chunks of fruits and vegetables without a ton of chopping. That's a huge plus when you're in a rush. And the rotating spout? It's a game changer. You can easily switch between open and closed positions to prevent any drips on your countertop. A small but thoughtful feature that keeps things tidy. Style-wise, the lighted speed dial adds a touch of sophistication, making it a real centerpiece for your kitchen. Performance-wise, while the Just Simple didn't top our juicing tests, it delivered decent results and was a pleasure to use. If you value convenience and aesthetics, this juicer is worth considering, especially if you catch it on sale. Moving on to number 2, the Breville Juice Fountain Plus. This juicer is all about premium performance and high-end features, making it a top choice for those who are serious about juicing. Let's start with its build. True to Breville's reputation, the Juice Fountain Plus is solidly constructed and feels like a luxury appliance. It's not just about looks, though. This juicer is a powerhouse, featuring an 850-watt motor and 2 speeds to handle everything from soft fruits to tough greens with ease. Now, let's talk performance. The Breville was a standout in our tests, delivering some of the highest juice yields across various fruits and vegetables. It especially shined with apples, producing the best apple juice yield of any model we tested. The centrifugal design works quickly and efficiently, so you're never waiting long for your fresh juice. What really sets this juicer apart are the extras. It comes with a 1-liter juice pitcher made from durable, high-grade plastic and a froth separator, which is a small but incredibly useful feature. No one likes that frothy top layer, and this handy addition ensures you get a smooth pour every time. Cleaning is also a breeze, thanks to the included brush for the sieve basket. While it's priced on the higher side, the Breville Juice Fountain Plus is an investment in quality and performance. If you're looking for a juicer that delivers exceptional results and looks great doing it, this one is hard to beat. And now, at number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer, our pick for the best juicer of 2025. This juicer isn't just about performance, it's about value, offering incredible features at a fraction of the price of other models. Let's dive into why the Big Mouth earned its top spot. First, it's powered by an 800-watt motor that handles fruits and vegetables with ease. Whether you're juicing leafy greens like kale or squeezing the last drop out of citrus fruits, this juicer consistently delivers. In fact, it outperformed pricier models in both citrus and green juice tests, proving that you don't have to break the bank for quality. One of its standout features is its simplicity. The single-speed operation might sound basic compared to multi-speed models, but it gets the job done without any fuss. And at just $60, it's an absolute steal, making it perfect for beginners or anyone on a budget. Cleanup is another area where the Big Mouth shines. It's dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your juice and less time scrubbing. The only minor downside? It doesn't come with a dedicated juice receptacle, so you'll need to use your own glass or pitcher. But when you balance price, performance, and ease of use, the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth stands out as the clear winner. It's a reliable, no-frills juicer that delivers excellent results at an unbeatable price. If you're ready to kickstart your juicing journey without spending a fortune, this is the one to beat. Well, there you have it, our top 3 juicers of 2025, each one bringing something unique to the table. Which one do you think deserves a spot in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if you're ready to make a healthy upgrade, all the product links are right down in the description. Don't miss out on those deals. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Consumer Picks and ring that bell so you're the first to know when we drop new reviews, comparisons, and even more amazing picks. If you're looking to stay on top of the best products out there, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one, where we'll always keep your shopping game strong.